Hi guys, and welcome back to Gut Z Studio, where together we try to create some magic. I'm your host, Kevin Matamoros, and this is my co-host at Sun London, and we're going to show you today how to build a light box for your toy photography for less than $10 in about less than 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is my wonderful assistant and son, London. And today what we'll need is scissors. Alright. Ruler. Thank you, sir. We'll need some tape. We got some packing tape here to use. You can use duct tape or any kind of masking tape that you'd like, or any kind of tape that will hold cardboard. We'll also need some glue. Got some glue here. We are going to use some Velcro, and I'll show you in a second why. Got some Velcro strips.
Just stick them to the wall.
And then we're going to need, of course, some pencils. We'll have one here. We're going to need a cellophane wrap or something clear for the lights to penetrate, which in this case I couldn't find a tablecloth, but we're going to use an underlining for drawers, which is translucent, and binders. And lastly, of course, we'll need a box and a box cutter. Here's your box cutter. And we're going to use a very big, deep box because we want to capture some bigger items. So let's get on to it, huh? Now with the Velcro, what we're going to do is we're going to make this collapsible. So we're going to actually cut this in half. We're going to open up the folders and we're going to use the Velcro to line up the two sides. So this way we have a collapsible box. So next, we're going to cut out the larger tabs, the bottom and the top tabs, off with the box cutter. My awesome assistant here is going to help me. Alright, so we cut the two tabs off, leaving us the two side panels on the box. Okay, and we're not going to throw these out. We're going to reuse these to reinforce some of the inner liners once we're done cutting. Stay tuned. Alright, so now that we have the box cut from the bottom and the top, we're going to measure where we're going to cut our light films. We're going to cut on the top, and we're going to cut on the sides. So, next, we've cut out some 1 3/4 inch tabs that we're going to use to reinforce the side. Of course, we're going to put some glue onto them. Now that we have our sides and opening reinforced, we have some clamps here to make sure that it dries and it stays down. We're going to apply the translucent cover onto the top and sides. Of course, we're going to measure this out before cutting. Measure this out. Add two binder clips up here to hold your backdrop, and we're going to install some Velcro on the back to make this collapsible. On the sides here. To make this box collapsible, we're going to use a little bit of Velcro. What we're going to do is we're going to install them onto the corners here. So anytime we're ready to use this, we can just Velcro and unvelcro to break your box apart.
Nicely folded up, like a small Christmas gift.
We'll install these binder clips. I'm going to make little tabs right here in the back. So this way we can install our back. Drop. I'm sure you get in here so you can see. I'm using those clips to clip this backdrop on.
They are bigger clips than the one we used.
We'll get longer paper. And there you have it.
Now you got your own little recording studio.
So there you have it. It took us literally about over an hour to complete, but nonetheless we got it done. The best feature about it is that it breaks away, folds down. I can unclip my backdrops and change them out as need be. I want to thank you all for joining me. I want to thank my awesome son for taking part of this awesome project. And with that said, if you have any comments or suggestions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell, guys, if you want to see more of me and some awesome creations, of course. Thanks again for joining Gut Z Studios. This is Kevin and London signing off. Have happy holidays. Bye, guys.